Hey everybody, David Steenkamp here, video number 32. I know I sounded a little down about going through comments in my last video, but there are people out there that are going to use them. So there's going to be people that want blogs, and I have nothing against people that want blogs. I never really want one myself, and when I have to do a blog entry, I'm not that great at writing, so it kind of bums me out, but you know, there are people out there that are great at writing, and I respect that. So this is for all the bloggers, basically. Okay, so by default, the theme that I installed came with a whole bunch of fake comments, which is cool, but none of them have been approved or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the comment section, which you should activate right now, and I'm going to show you how to go through them. Okay, and if you don't have any yet, just find one of your pages that does accept comments, and go ahead and just add a few. Okay, and then come to this section. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to accept all of my comments, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that too. Okay, so let's see. So you see how the comment section is, you know, just like all the other sections of WordPress, it's got a screen options at the top. So I can see right here that I have 69 items. That's how many they give you. So I'm going, oh, isn't that funny, 69? So I'm going to make this section right here. This is how many it wants, or it allows you to do per page. So I'm going to say, let's do 100 per page. I don't recommend doing 100, but I'm going to do it just because I want to select all of them at once. So clicking this box here will select all of your comments at once. So look at all that, that's a ton of comments. That's probably not going to look very good in the video when I take a look at it afterwards. Alright, so what you can do is you can click that box to select everything, click this drop down here where it says bulk actions, and I'm going to press approve and apply. That didn't take long at all. Okay, cool. So if I go into approved, let's see here, there they are, and 69 items. So perfect, that means they all went through properly, and that's good. So now I'm going to go back to all. Now I'd like to see one of these, you know, see where they are, and you can sort them too, which is kind of neat. So if you click on here, you can sort them by author, or if you click on here, in response to, you can sort them by item that they were responded to, so by post, technically. Let's see, at Vero Etiam. Let's see if I can find that one. View post. Okay. Oh, that's weird. It's not there. Let me check out the post itself, because we need to figure out why it wouldn't be there. I'm going to open that in a new tab. Discussion. Comments. Let's check it out. Oh, it says that it allows them. Show them. What happens if I click add? No, I don't want to add a new one. Oh, it might just need to be submitted again because it was old. Let's see if that's the case. If that's not the case, then I'll just pause and come back. I don't think so. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video and come back, see if I can figure it out. Hey again, guys. So I finally figured it out. I had to go to the themes website, and it's really just an issue with the theme and stuff. So the reason that I wasn't able to see comments is because comments actually only come available because this is an e-commerce theme. So they only come available once you install some sort of e-commerce solution like WooCommerce or something, and then they actually show up below a product when you've added a product, which is something I'm going to get into way long time from now. So what I did was I found a way in the e-panel for elegant themes to show comments on pages just for the sake of this example. So I've enabled it now, and now I'm going to go back to the comment section, and I'm actually going to start leaving some. So here we go. So I'm logged in as David. Hey, here is a comment. So I'm going to submit it. There you go. So that's what it's going to look like. That's because I have the Gravatar thing, right? And it's based off your email address. And you know, since I'm logged in as info@davidsteenkamp.com, and that's what my Gravatar is linked with, that's why you see that. So that's how a comment will show up there. So if I refresh the comments section, hopefully mine should show up. There we go. Now here, there's all sorts of options that you can do. So you can, as an administrator, you can unapprove it. You can reply. You can do a quick edit, which looks like this. You can actually edit what they wrote yourself and update it if you want. Let's see. You can edit it, which will just give you more options. I'll show you. So there you go. You can make it pending, spam, check the IP address of it, change the email, change the URL, change the text, check what Kismet said. Let's see what else is in here. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm going to go back. And you can mark it as spam, or you can put it in trash. So totally up to you how you want to deal with those. So let's say I'm Joe Blow, and I'm coming across this page. So I'm just going to copy this. And I'm going to put it in another browser that I'm not signed in on. So I'm just going to open up Google Chrome. So just give me a second. I'm opening it on another on my other monitor, and then I'm going to throw it into view for you. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, Google Chrome's being difficult for me now. A while ago it was Firefox being difficult, now it's Google Chrome being a little difficult and a little slow, but that's okay. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys how to what it's going to look like when you reply to comments, and just a quick demonstration of how they can nest. So, alright. So here we go. I'm just going to throw this in here and just make it decent size. Okay, so I'm not logged in here, so I'm just gonna check it out. I'm like, oh yeah, okay, here's this thing. Oh, what did that guy say? Crazy. So 1 second. So I'm gonna put mine in. So what happens if I click on my name? Let's check that out. Oh, cool, it takes you right to the website. Sorry, I'm like learning new things as I go as well. So I clicked on this right here, and then I put my name in. Joey Blow. Joe@blow.com. JoeBlow.com. Here's my comment. Hope you can read that, it's very light gray. So I'm going to press submit. Okay, so there we go. So the reason I wanted to actually reply to this one, but I think I still have a setting somewhere in the back that says don't allow nesting. So I'm just going to double check that right now. So I'm going to go to settings, discussion, because that's basically just another way to say comments. So here's enable threaded nested comments 5 levels deep. So I'm going to press that, turn it on. What else? I think that's it. So I'm going to just press save changes, and I'm going to refresh the page, and I'm going to see if it allows you to reply or something like that maybe. There you go. So now I can click reply, because now it's going to allow for nesting. So if I refresh this, you should see those little buttons too. There we go. So say I want to reply to my initial one. Now it's going to go under that. So whatever, blah@blah.com, whatever, you suck. So here we go. Submit comment. There you go. So now you can see I was replying to that guy, right? Oh, there's a little line under there. See, this is something I would probably get out, you know, because it just doesn't make any sense. So anyways, that's comments. 10 minutes worth of comments. I'm sorry. So I'm going to close this, and Yeah, so really when you are doing stuff in the comment section, if something's not working exactly as you want it to, double check anything that's in your theme options if you have theme options, right? That's what I had to do. And also double check the discussion setting and really go through and kind of study these and test things out with them. And once you're done, click on Save Changes at the bottom down here. And hopefully, and like I always say, just keep refreshing these pages every time you change something new. See, even if I refresh now, oh, there it is again. That's probably not very good to have on there, but I'm going to leave it anyway. Okay, so that concludes the comments section. Next, we're finally going to get into something that you're probably actually going to use. Definitely. No, you will be using, and that's the pages and just the different things that you can do. How to create your first one. I want to do how to schedule a page so you can hide it and make it go live at a later date and time. How to modify items on a page, how to insert a photo, how to set a featured image, and just the different types of pages that you can do. So I'm going to cut this video out and pick it up in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.